Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alisha and today I'm going to show you how to make this bad boy Kinder cookie pie. I've just had a taste and it is amazing. This is my normal cookie dough recipe, obviously in pie form, and then in the centre, I'm just going to bring this a bit closer to you so you can see. And then in the centre, we've got white hazelnut chocolate spread with some Kinder Buenos and Kinder chocolate bars. It is epic. So if you want to find out how I make it, then keep watching. I've wanted to do this for so long and today is finally the day. So we're going to use my normal cookie dough recipe, but I'm doubling the quantity. So let's get started, shall we? I have preheated my oven to 160 degrees Celsius. That's for a fan assisted oven, and I've also greened and lined a springform tin, so the bottom of the tin is removable, is loose. So I've got my butter and both of my sugars in here. I have made a total mess. I think I might have needed a bigger bowl. Oh well. I'm gonna add my eggs in. And vanilla. The vanilla is already in here. I'm just gonna scrape it, make sure I've got it all. There we go. And then wish me luck. I'm gonna switch to a spatula for the next bit. Before I do, I'm gonna just make sure I've got all of the dough off the whisks. Okay, now I'm gonna add in the flour. This is self-raising flour. I will leave all of the quantities in the description as always. And then I'm just going to gently fold this in. I'm not folding it in because I want to keep the air, it's just because I'm trying to reduce the mess, although I obviously didn't do a very good job in the first round. This is a lot of cookie dough. Right, that will do. Oh my day. I may as well just tip this bowl everywhere in the kitchen at this rate because that is the way it is going. Right, I'm gonna add in some milk chocolate chips and some, she says, no, and some white chocolate chips. And fold this in again. I'm literally just flinging it everywhere every time I do this. Right. I'm just gonna give in. I've just thrown the packet on the floor. Okay. Next step is to put some of it in the tin. So I want about a third of it on the base, a third of it around the sides, and then a third of it for the top. So let's pop this in here. I think I'm going to bring you a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. Now you can truly see how much mess I've made everywhere. So I'm just gonna use my hand. Obviously I have washed my hands multiple times just to edge it a little bit. Oh my God. And then I'm gonna try and work it towards the edge. Just grab some more when you need it. So usually when I do like big cookies, I'm like, oh, it doesn't matter if it's all spread to the edge because it will spread anyway. But obviously this is a cookie pie, so I need the base to be, you know, kind of solid. So I'm just gonna go around and make sure I've got it all to the edge. Okay, now for the sides. I'm not going all the way up the tin. And I want it a similar thickness, so about a centimetre just about. It is messy, but it gets the job done. I think it's the most effective and easiest way to do this. Okay, should look something like this. So now I'm going to wash my hands again, and now it is time for all the good stuff. So I have got some hazelnut white chocolate spread. This is from Morrison's. I'm just going to use what I've got left in this tin. Well, it's not a tin, it's a tub. And then we're all going to need a whole tub of this. It literally smells identical to the inside of a Kinder Bueno. So I'm just going to start spreading this around. So I'm going to put half of it in like that, and then I'm going to start filling it with some Kinder Bueno bars. You know what really annoys me about Kinder Bueno is it's plastic within plastic. I get that it's to try and keep it fresher, but come on guys, we're trying to save the planet. They need to do better. And I love Kinder, but I just don't think there's any need. I mean, they say it's to keep freshness, but who has Kinder Bueno bars lying around for that long? Oh my gosh, I've just dropped one on the floor. What is wrong with me today? And I've got some Kinder chocolate bars as well, because why not? And this is plastic as well, but some of them come in paper. Just don't get it. Don't get it. Just gonna sort of rest these on top. Squidge it all in. Like that. Doesn't have to be neat. And then we go in with our next layer, which is going to be a lot harder to spread, but here goes. So then with this excess dough, I'm just gonna peel it down to start to form the lid. And then there's kind of two methods for this. You can go in and just dollop your dough around and spread it out like this, or you can roll it out to the size of the lid that you need and then just flop it on top like that. I'm gonna just use this method. I mean, can you imagine cutting into this? How amazing it's gonna look. This is gonna take a little while to bake. I am going to put it in for about 25 to 30 minutes, and I'm going to see when it's done by it being golden around the edge and slightly wobbly in the middle. I'll tell you exactly how long it takes, but that's what I'm going for initially. Here is the cookie pie out of the oven. As you can see, it's lovely and golden around the outside, but it's still got a tiny little wobble. I'm going to leave this to cool completely in its tin. It might lose its shape a little bit, but it's probably going to take about an hour or two, so I shall see you then. Okay, so the cookie pie has cooled down for a couple of hours now. To get it out of the tin, I use the glass method, so I put the tin on top of a glass and then just sort of pressed it down. It is a bit fiddly, but you get there in the end. So I'm just gonna take it off here. The paper has stuck to the cookie, annoyingly, but there we go. And this is our cookie pie. As you can see, it's shrunk a little bit here, but now it is time to cut this bad boy up. See what it looks like on the inside. Give it a taste test. Ready? Ta-da! Oh God, doesn't that look so yummy to eat? Look at it. This is the inside of it. Taste test time. Oh, look at that. Okay, that is delicious. It's literally a Kinder Bueno in a cookie. I mean, it is what it is and it tastes amazing. I don't really know what to say about it. Just show you the inside a bit more. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please let me know if you make this at home. You definitely should because it tastes amazing. And I will see you next week for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.